Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here to share with you the 30-day gratitude practice. And so day by day we're going to increase the amount of time that we give gratitude by 1 minute. So by the end of April we will be doing a 30-minute gratitude practice. So we're going to start today with 1 minute. Just fill your heart, mind, body, soul, and spirit with thank you, thank you, thank you, and be grateful. Let's inhale. And exhale, inhale, and exhale. And let's inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love, health, and abundance beyond belief.